fucking my GoPro is working now.
Oh fuck.
Ooh,
what is up, YouTube? It's Stephanie here. We're back at it again with the WRX.
Move the fuck out the wall. Move the way. Ooh, hold on. All right, anyway. Whoa, whoa, whoa. All right. I got my cameras up. Whoa!
Oh my God, bend over, Eddie. Bend
Oh,
over right
look
now.
at that thug. Look at that thug.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! I got it. Where's he going?
I don't know.
Is he gonna
Dance.
Trash. L plus ratio. I think we need Panda Express.
I don't know how to fucking do this.
Oh shit, he's kicking us out. What?
My girl went.
Yeah.
Second of all, give me your keys or whatever. I'm gonna move it.
He's gonna steal it. Kyle, do I look swag as fuck with this hat, or am I a little zesty?
Can I see?
You always a little zesty.
Ooh.
Let's go. Oh shit!
Open the door. Open the door.
I'm taking your water. Why are you not opening?
Holy fuck. Where are we going?
Your mom's house. I'm gonna tell you right now, Stephanie, it's gonna hurt so fucking much. It's gonna feel like a crazy nut, like you're busting. It's like you've edged for 3 months, and it's just like, oh, but it's in your nose, and you're like,
Hurry up.
Do you like my hummus?
Beautiful. I love it. I love it.
Oh, we were confused.
oh my gosh, Stephanie, get out of here. Say Sean.
Owie. Oh, there goes your Christina privileges.
No more Christina privileges for you. Oh, that was.
I did not tell you.
It's fine. I'll just fucking swing it right here.
Oh yeah, swing it. Swing it. Come on.
Me
Alright,
too?
ready? Yeah. Ooh. Oh.
Never. Hold up. Hey, you two.
Can you take us home, please?
Okay, fine.
Get the fuck out of the way! What the fuck? Fuck you! Fuck you! Get the fuck away from me. Don't turn that shit off.